What's up, guys? Just gonna keep you in the loop on a little fuel mileage test here. This is a 430 rear end truck, 7.3 liter Godzilla gas motor. Just a little trailer. It's a hybrid snowmobile trailer. We do have three snowmobiles in there, and we are going up to Fort Kent, Maine, which from where I live is about 6 hours, and it's about 400 miles. Will be a lot of highway driving, but I will keep you in the loop about what we get for fuel mileage. So 3 adults in the truck. It's going to be 3 sleds in the trailer. This thing is like pulling a sail though, so we'll see. It's going to be a good fuel mileage test run here. So 400 miles. I should mention that it's 400 miles each direction. So altogether, the trip will be probably a little over 800 miles, 850 miles by the time we get back. So this will be a good test. Little update, the snow is deep. Just wrapping up here riding. We were getting about 10 miles per gallon, 75 to 85 miles per hour, up 95. And now we are here in Fort Kent, dumping snow. All right, guys, a little update. We are back home here. It is crazy. Went from riding snowmobiles and 6 feet of snow to it's like nearly 50 degrees out today. It's unbelievable. But I'll do a little update on what we got. So I will say it was probably worse than I expected. I guess that's what I get for doing 430s. I mean, with that load over the weekend, just the snowmobile trailer, it is like a sail, but 355s would have been much better for doing nearly 85 down the highway. All right, so there you go. We did 878.5 miles over the weekend, and we averaged 8.9 miles per gallon. Yeah, so right around 9 miles per gallon, just a 2-place enclosed snowmobile trailer. That's what you get. It's a 7.3 Godzilla truck, 430 gears, crew cab, long bed. And that's why I love the long bed for the 48-gallon tank, because getting 9 miles per gallon, we only had to stop for gas. I mean, probably could have made it the whole 400 something miles, but we only stopped for gas once right at the end. So that's why I love the big tank. But the fuel mileage is not good. My Cummins, same setup truck, Cummins tuned with some weight loss, I would get like 12 or 13. So it is like 3 or 4 miles per gallon less, but also gas was $2 or more cheaper than diesel. So gas was around $3.30. Diesel was about $5.30 to $5.50 a gallon here in the Northeast still. So and this truck was a lot cheaper to purchase to start with, so I am still happy with it, even in that fuel mileage. That just comes with going 80 plus miles per hour. The speed limit in northern Maine on 95 is 75 miles per hour, but everyone's doing at least 80. If I were to slow down to like 65, then I'm sure we could get much better fuel mileage, but who wants to go 65? So anyway, that is it, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll keep you guys updated on this truck. Thanks. Have a good one.